I am 100% sure that you never knew this. I want to show you how you can get the software on your laptop without visiting the official website. You have an app on your desktop right now, which is Microsoft Store. The first thing I want you to do is to open the Microsoft Store. You will be greeted with this beautiful user interface. This is where you can find Affinity by Canva. You click on this app's icon here. It opens this beautiful user interface where you can scroll to see so many apps, and we will find Affinity by Canva somewhere here. So there you have it, Affinity by Canva. This is the simplest and easiest way you can download Affinity by Canva on your desktop without visiting the website. Click on it. We see this beautiful interface for the software. You get to see the description. Here are some screenshots from the software. If you love drawing, it has a user-friendly layer interface which is very easy to navigate. It's very easy to work out on magazines, book layers and all that. Work on logo designs and export them in SVG, PNG, JPEG, depending on the format you want. Click on get and then sign in with your Microsoft account. So if I click on this, it will start downloading for me because I've already signed in. It's installing. There's no need for me to install this. Let's get straight into the design software and I will explain one or two things to you. The reason why you see all these artworks is because I have been working on projects using the software. As soon as you start creating something, you start seeing them. The first thing you see is this. When you scroll down, you see this, welcome to Affinity. Affinity provided you with videos to guide you on how you can use the software. So this is an intro to Affinity. All you need to do is to click and download. This is the intro to Affinity, how to import, how to export, how you can change the colors for your layers, and how to custom your studio. You can create a studio in Affinity, your personal studio. So you get to learn how to use live adjustments and filters to enhance the beauty of your images. You also get to understand text, how you can place text behind images. You can learn image tracing, flexible mockups. You can customize your own mockup in Affinity by Canva. I have videos on my channel that will also help you to enhance your design skills. So you need to learn the basics. After, you can learn how to enhance your design skills with the tutorials available on my channel. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like, share and leave your comments. See you in the next video. Don't miss out.